Hello everyone, behind me we have the famous Baker Tower product. As you can see, we have a RV here, and one of our main challenges with this RV is the access height. Baker Tower, this is a product that we've been selling for over decades now. It's on a double deck. This Baker Tower, built for safety, I would say number one. Easy replacement parts, number two. Access height, really easy to access. This is a product that is available all across North America, and it's a great stance. So as you can see, I'm at a 10 feet height, and what's very important is the security and safety at the 10 feet height, which meets the OSHA standards, the OSHA requirements. What I have here is a custom guardrail as opposed to my standard guardrail here. The key benefits of my custom guardrails is a little bit heavy duty, very tough, and one very important factor is also my 3 toe boards here that come around and protect me. So example, you're working on your RV, you got tools, you got this toe board to block you here. Also, what's important with this custom guardrail is that it's integrated with my telescopic guardrail. So as you can see, I am on top of my RV at a 10 feet height, very secured because I got my telescopic guardrail right here. This is a aluminum custom piece that's actually connected with my custom guardrail piece right here, and it's got a great stance. I'm very secured. I can walk around my RV very secured, OSHA standard. And a key factor about this telescopic here, this is a aluminum finish, also with a steel finish. So it connects with my custom guardrail right here, as you can see. And one very important factor is it can go from 8.5 feet to 12 feet. So we have a RV that's about a 9 feet width right here, and we can go up to 12 feet very easily. So key takeaways here is if I'm working on my RV, I can work on simultaneous projects, right? So I can be on one side, I can walk away on the other side with no problem. So my standard guardrails are in the middle. I got my custom guardrails right here that connects with my aluminum finish right here, and I can walk away very easily on the other side, and I have my custom guardrail right here. At METALTECH, we're all about safety and innovation. Our priority is to make the job site easier and safer. I'm Omer Saeed from METALTECH, and thanks for watching.